As a photographer, placing limitations on yourself can actually help you get over creative blocks, get out of a rut, and discover new techniques.
A few weeks ago, we challenged each other in our Note 9 video by choosing the outfits and location for the other photographer. Today, we're doing it again, this time with a female model. So I picked out Daniel's outfit, location, and prop, and he picked mine. Let's see how this one goes.
No, I need powder for my nose. I'm having a breakout. Huh. Hey, Ma. Yeah. No, I was just about to do an ad read. No, I still don't have a real job. Yeah, I like Daniel DiArco's channel too. He's a talented boy. All right, you gotta make this quick. What? You think you got your credit card information stolen? You were using a public Wi-Fi network without a VPN to do online banking? Ma, it's 2019. Your privacy and security have never been more threatened. And yeah, that blows. Ma, look, all you gotta do is sign up for NordVPN. That'll keep all of your important information safe from hackers and other unsavory characters. Yeah, it works. You know how we were just in Las Vegas for CES? Well, when we use the hotel Wi-Fi to get work done, we use NordVPN to connect our laptop, tablet, and phones to protect our information. Okay, well get this. NordVPN is offering our viewers and moms 75% off a 3-year plan, and you get an extra month free. But you have to go to nordvpn.com/mangostreet or just use the code MANGOSTREET at checkout. You'll get access to thousands of secure servers in over 61 countries and can connect up to 6 of your devices simultaneously. No, you really don't need me to set it up for you. Just click the link below or just go to nordvpn.com/mangostreet. Yeah, no. I know it's a good deal. Okay. All right, I gotta go. Yeah, love you too. All right. So we're here at the location that Rachel picked out for me, and there's some really cool vignettes here that I'm excited to try out. I have to use this stool though that Rachel is making me shoot with, so we'll try to get creative with it. And Rachel's picked out this outfit, which I like the nice earthy tones to it. It's pretty neutral, so I think it'll work well with a lot of these vignettes. All right, Jasmine, let's start over here. Yeah, I think that'll work. I actually liked when you just looked over that way. Can we do that again? Yeah. What else we got with this? I think I'm gonna get a little lower. And then if you wanna look directly,
Where?
look right off this way. Lower with your eyes, and a little bit to the left. Yeah, that right there, that's perfect. All right. Okay, it swivels a little bit, so
I'm not gonna
don't
move.
hit your head either. Okay.
Parkour!
Parkour! Let me get a little closer. Oh, I like that lean. Hold that for a minute. I think this counts, right? All right, will you take like 2 steps out towards me? Yeah. Can you maybe put your arms kind of like loosely over your head and then maybe drop one of your shoulders a little bit lower so it's like you're kind of off kilter a little bit. You can do whatever you want as long as you don't fall.
You're like mid-action?
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, so we're at the location that Daniel chose for me, and it's this parking lot. But it's kind of cool because there's this like raw, industrial-looking wall right there, and then it just rained, which is super rare around here. But we get these nice reflections, so we might use those. He also picked out this monochromatic outfit, which I obviously am into. And he got me this chair to use as a prop. Will it ruin your shoes?
No, it's my
Okay. Awkwardly bend down and look at yourself in the water.
It was simply discovered.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
I remember when my skin was warm. Now alone it grows cold. Don't forget what you had. I am waiting by the door.
Okay.
In those moments
I don't know what the word is, but like
you,
bendy and yeah, like stiff kind of.
I realize you're gone. How much love went undiscovered.
It can be easy to shoot in your comfort zone, but you can see you can still get some great results when some things are out of your control.
We want to thank our model Jasmine for helping us out with this video and our friend Will for filming for us. Hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell so you get notified when we post a new video. We'll see you in the next one, or you'll see us, or we'll see your comments or whatever.